Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, we're gonna grill some steaks. I have some New York strip steaks. And I'm making my own rub. And I had to come back inside because the neighborhood kids are getting a little rowdy. We're gonna use a homemade steak rub, plus I have something up my sleeves. Come join me in my kitchen and outside as I cook. This is how we're setting up our Webergrill. We're gonna start the fire here with the charcoal. We have a piece of wood here, some oak in the slow and sear, and we're gonna put all the charcoal right in there so we can have some direct heat. Our ingredients for today are these beautiful thick cut New York strip steaks. Also salt, some onion powder, paprika, garlic, black pepper, olive oil, and I'm gonna try this barbecue rub, dark and smoky barbecue rub from Flatiron Pepper Company. It's a little spicy, so I'm just gonna try that on one because I wanna taste this so bad. For our homemade rub, I put half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. I put 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Ideally, you want these to get room temperature before you start seasoning it. And mine are almost there, not quite. I'm gonna start with some olive oil, but I don't think we can wait anymore. And I'm gonna rub that in. We're gonna do one side at a time. Now we're gonna get our rub. I've mixed all the ingredients up. And I'm putting it on 2 of them only because the other ones are gonna get our dark and smoky barbecue rub from Flatiron Pepper Steak Company. Pepper Company, hashtag not sponsored. Oh, look at that. I smell the spices in there. It smells good. Okay, so I flipped them over. I'm gonna quickly do the other side. I think our fire's ready. Get the side walls also. I'm gonna rub these down and meet you outside at the grill. So now our charcoal is ready. I'm gonna grab the steaks and I'm gonna put them right here on this direct heat side. You hear it sizzling. And we'll put this one right here. I'm gonna leave this for 3 minutes, then flip them for another 3 minutes. Ooh, look at all that smoke. So now we're gonna flip it. Be careful you don't burn yourself. So I'm gonna turn this way so I'm not in direct fire. Ooh, that one's nice and charred. And we're gonna cover that up again. We covered it to calm that fire down just a little bit. Since that fire was so raging hot, we closed this up a little to control that. Maybe it dampens it out a little bit. So now I'm going to move it to the indirect heat. Flipping it, of course. This one is that spicy one. That has a nice char on it, guys. So we're gonna put them over here and let them cook for 4 more minutes. Look at these steaks. I'm gonna flip it over one last time. 4 minutes, look at that one. 4 minutes on this side. And then we're done. Now it's been another 4 minutes. I'm just taking a look to make sure we look nice. Let's see. Just test it to make sure, or touch it to make sure the level of doneness. And then I'm gonna put them on my tray and cover it with foil. We're gonna leave this loosely covered with foil so it can rest. The steaks have been resting for over 5 minutes. You want to at least let them rest for 5 minutes. Look at that. Look at those beauties. All right, guys, I'm gonna taste this. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna taste the smokiness. The paprika comes out a little bit, makes it kind of like an asada taste. This is delicious. Sorry, I'm using my hands. I'm cheating. I'm waiting for the potatoes to finish because I'm making mashed potatoes and I'm just tasting away. Oh my gosh. That dark and smoky barbecue rub is delicious. I don't think it's spicy at all, but my spicy level's a little skewed, guys, so I don't know. I think the girls can eat this. So good. This steak has got me singing already. If you don't have a grill, I suggest you run out and go get one, because this steak is out of this world. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share it with everyone. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit.